Well, good morning, Melody Max.
Morning.
Morning, Singing Sam. They do get confused sometimes. Happy Diversity Week, Queensbridge. I'm so excited to be singing for you today. Melody Max and Singing Sam.
Yes.
I feel like you missed an opportunity. So Mr. Clark made an amazing film with the staff and the pupils. I love it. And as your pupils at Queensbridge, would you tell us your somebodies? Melody Max, why don't you go first? To camera. Lovely.
I like to change my hair and I am somebody.
Excellent. Singing Sam?
I like to sing and to dance, and I have roller skates, and I am somebody.
Excellent. I will one day. We would like to see you on those roller skates. It is, yeah. It is a very, very rich week in music birthdays. It is, in fact, this week is the birthday of Paul McCartney. Who's Paul McCartney?
Paul McCartney was in the Beatles.
Famous singer, songwriter from the Beatles. Also, Brian Wilson from the Beach Boys. So, I mean, would have been some wonderful songs to choose from there. I have an even more lovely birthday to celebrate. Drum roll, please. On Saturday, it will be Lionel Richie's birthday. And also, look at the rainbows he's wearing in this picture. That's fantastic. Just like Melody Max's hairstyle today with her rainbows in her hair. So tell me, you two, any favourite Lionel Richie songs? What do you love?
I like Hello.
Oh, Hello. It's
Hello.
a really sad song.
Is it me you're looking for?
That is a good one. I remember it well from the 80s. Singing Sam, any favourites?
Movie, actually. It was in the Trolls movie.
Oh, and they've used it recently, yeah. So songs come back, they
I
do.
also like Dancing on the Ceiling.
Oh, yes.
Ooh, what a feeling.
Dancing on the ceiling. Well, Lionel Richie has had a really long and wonderful career. When he started out, he was in a band. Do you know what the band was called?
The something?
The Commodores. Yeah, well done. Good knowledge. And there's a song that will be really nice for our warm-up. Are you ready for a warm-up? Breathe in. Sigh it out. One more time in. And out. And can you say, easy?
Easy.
Easy. Brilliant. We'll just do a little bit of this song from the Commodores. It's called Easy Like Sunday Morning. I know it sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Your turn. I know it sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Your turn. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. It's quite low, I like it. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. Oh. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. You see, I beg, stole, and I borrow. Ooh. I think that ooh's really nice. Ooh. Let's just do that line again. You see, I beg, stole, and I borrowed. See if you can wait there on your wait there on the low notes and then say ooh. Ooh. Oh, I really like that. Let's put it all together. Ready and I know it sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. See, I beg, stole, and I borrow. Yeah. Here's the ooh. Ooh, here's the chorus. It's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning. Should we get everyone to catch up? There's a chorus, it's so lovely. And I tell you what, we're gonna teach you just the R's. So Melody Max and I singing the melody, and then Singing Sam's doing the R's. So can we try this? Ah. your turn. Ready? Ah, let's do the chorus. You sing with Sam. Go. That's why I'm easy. Ah, nice. I'm easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy like Sunday morning. And do you feel really easy? I do. I feel really relaxed from that song. So you could always just rewind and sing with us again.
Or you could listen to it.
Or you could. I think it would be a great idea. Go and search up the Commodores and listen to that song. Makes me feel so peaceful. So any good songs do you think we have from Lionel Richie's solo career?
All Night Long.
Oh, well. Now this song I know, All Night Long, specifically written to make you feel you're in a warm, sunny place.
On the beach.
On the beach, and everyone's just come together after dinner and they're going to have a really lovely party. So let's see if we can sing a bit of All Night Long. Are you ready, you two?
Yeah.
I'm ready too. And it goes like this. Well, my friends, the time has come, your turn.
Well, my friends, the time has come.
Good. To raise the roof and have some fun.
To raise the roof and have some fun.
Good. Throw away all the work to be done. Your turn. Throw away all the work to be done. Nice. Let the music play on. There's a little echo there.
Aeon, aeon, aeon.
You could go play on, play on, play on, play on. Let's try it. Let the music play on, play on, play on, play on. Everybody sing and everybody dance. Your turn. Everybody sing and everybody dance. Good. Lose yourself in one romance. Go. Lose yourself in one romance. I love it. Let's put the verse together again. Are you ready? 1, 2. Well, my friends. Well, my friends, the time has come to raise the roof and have some fun. Throw away all the work to be done. Let the music play on, play on, play on, play on. Everybody sing and everybody dance. Lose yourself in one romance. Lovely. And then the chorus, or the pre-chorus, I think, fair enough, goes, we're going to party, Karamu, your turn. We're going to party, Karamu, fiesta, forever.
Fiesta, forever.
Well, there's a word in there that I've never heard
Karamu.
before. Karamu. Do you know what Karamu
I
means?
think I do.
But Sam, what does Karamu mean?
I think it might be a Swahili word.
A Swahili word, yes.
And it means after you've
Yeah, very
Yeah, I
smart,
know.
Sam. Good.
and after you've had like a feast, it's the like dancing and party that you have afterwards.
Oh, how appropriate for this song. So after you've had a big feast, it's all the dancing and partying that happens.
And it usually happens all night long.
All night long. Well, that
Hence
makes
the name of
perfect
the song.
sense. This is the song called All Night Long. So let's try that little bit again. We're going to party, Karamu, fiesta, forever. What language is fiesta?
Spanish.
Very good. Oh, it's just so international as well. We're going to party, Karamu, siesta, forever. Come on and sing along. Try that again. We're going to party, Karamu, siesta, forever. Oh, I shouldn't have said siesta because that means going to sleep. Fiesta.
fiesta.
One more time. We're going to party, Karamu, siesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party, Karamu, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. So the second time, come on and sing along. Goes down instead of up, okay?
Sing along.
Nice. And then, all night long. All night long. Try it. All night long. vocals today. I really like that. So if we go all night long, all night, all night, all night, all night long, all night, all night, all night, all night long,
All night,
all night, all night, all night long,
all night,
all night.
all night.
I really love that. Let's see. I mean, there's a lot to remember, Queensbridge, but I think you can do it. From the beginning, everyone. One,
Wait,
two,
from the very,
from
very
the very tippity top. Well, my friends, the time has come. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, my friends, the time has come. Raise the roof and have some fun. Throw away all the work to be done. Let the music play on, play on, play on, play on. Everybody sing and everybody dance. Lose yourself in wild romance. We're going to party, carabao, siesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party, carabao, siesta, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. When? All night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long. It really makes me want to dance and sing all night long. That was such good singing, you two. Thank you so much. And well done, you guys, too. Thank you, Queensbridge School.
Thank you, Osnat.
Shall we play out to a little bit of dancing on the ceiling?
Yeah.
I feel like we're ready to do more dancing. Let's go. See you soon.
Bye.